Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove product description text in WooCommerce. This is particularly useful when you want to streamline your product pages or customize how information appears to your customers without displaying the default description heading. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already done so. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your WooCommerce site, as this will give you access to all the necessary tools and plugins. After logging in, look over to the left navigation menu where you'll find various options for managing your WordPress site. Click on Plugins. This will expand a submenu with additional options. From these expanded options, click on Add Plugin. This section is where you'll find all the tools needed to enhance your WooCommerce functionality. You'll now be on the Plugins page, which displays all available plugins you can add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. At the top of this page, locate the search bar, type in snippets, and press Enter. From the search results that appear, look specifically for a plugin called Code Snippets. Once you spot it, click on More Details to get a comprehensive overview of what this plugin offers. Take a moment to understand its features and functions, as this tool will allow you to add custom code to your site without editing theme files directly. When you're ready, click on Install Now. The installation might take a little while to complete, so be patient as the system processes this. Once the installation finishes, you'll see the button change. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Now that Code Snippets is activated, direct your attention back to the left navigation menu. You'll notice a new option has appeared called Snippets. This is the plugin we just installed. Click on Snippets, and you'll be taken to the Snippets overview page. Here you can see all the code snippets you've previously added and applied to your WooCommerce site. To remove the product description text, we need to add a new code snippet. Look toward the top of your screen and click on Add New. This will open a code editor interface where you'll input your custom code. At this point, I'll be showing you the specific code needed for this function. Feel free to pause the video right now to copy the code accurately into your code editor. Make sure you paste it exactly as shown to avoid any errors. Once you've added the code to the editor, simply click on Save and Activate. This will immediately apply the changes to your WooCommerce product pages, removing the product description text as intended. And that's it. You've successfully removed the product description text from your WooCommerce site using a custom code snippet. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.